Hey guys, D here. If you're a SaaS founder or GTM lead struggling to consistently book qualified demos, this is the exact workflow we use to help SaaS teams to book 10 plus demos per week. We are not talking about hiring 3 SDRs or using 15 tools. This is a lean system powered by AI and good targeting. I'll walk you through the step by step and show you exactly how we run it. So, here's the tech stack we use. For data sourcing, we use Phantom Buster for LinkedIn data scraping, Apollo.io for verified contact data and filters, and Crunchbase for funding info, and Build with for tech stack for following, and G2 and Product Hunt for buying intent signals, Google search for PR hiring signals, Clay for final enrichment and orchestration. For execution, we use ChatGPT for personalization and variant generation, and Smartlead for cold email delivery, Notion or Sheets for campaign plan tracking, and Slack or Zapier for notifications and reply routing. So here is what the full flow looks like. First, define a clear ICP for SaaS, then pull lead data from multiple sources, then enrich and qualify using Clay, and personalize with ChatGPT, send through Smartly, and finally route the replies and optimize low. So now let's break each step down. We start by clearly defining who or we want to target, no guessing. So for SaaS, we typically target B2B SaaS companies with 1 to 50 employees. Roles like founders, head of growth, RevOps, and Signals target was just raising funds or hiring GTM roles or G2 or product and presence or using Stripe segment and Intercom. This gives us an edge before we even try to first email. So, step 2 is data pull from multiple sources. Now, we go beyond basic scrapping. Instead of just pulling from LinkedIn, we use multiple sources to build deeper profile. So, Phantom Buster for LinkedIn profile like name, role, company, and etc. Apollo.io for emails, employee count, revenue filters, and all. Crunchbase for funding rounds and investors. Built with for tech stack usage like Stripe, Segment, Intercom, etc. Z2 for review content and categories, product hunt for launch state and traction, Google search for PR mentions hiring intent, Clay scrapping for website headline, positioning, and career pages. So everything flows into Clay where we clean, enrich, and tag leads for relevance. Step 3 is personalize the message. This part is critical. We use ChatGPT to generate custom intro lines for each lead based on their product, funding, and site messaging. So the example prompt is write a cold email first line to a SaaS founder who just raised funding, mention their products, positioning, and website headline. Keep it casual, smart, and specific. And the output we got was so you just launched company name on Product Hunt. Love how you're targeting remote teams with a sync collaboration. Look like perfect timing post price. So that's what helps us cut through the noise. Step 4 is launch multi-step outreach. Like we then launch a 4-step email sequence in Smartlead. We use different angles like pain first, proof first, system first, and curiosity first. For the pain first variation, we just go through their pain facing right now in first line. And proof first was we just explained what we done for our clients already and got results. And the system first variation was explaining our automation systems that replaces their manual works. And curiosity first was making them curious about our solution or solution they need right now, like the things. Spacing is every 2 to 3 days. We avoid spammy tactics. It's human, short, and clear. 5 was reply handling and iteration. When we get replies, like if we got a positive replies, we just get notifications from Slack and auto book with Calendly. If we get objections related replies, we just tag them and send angle to follow up. If we got unsubscribed, auto remove from Smartly. All replies get tracked in a sheet, so every 2 weeks we can review which angles work, which signals perform, and where to iterate. It's a campaign, but also a learning system, right? Here is the real results we got from these campaigns. One recent SaaS client saw this, like we target just seed stage B2B SaaS company and sent 1,000 emails, and from that we got 74% open rate, 18% positive replies, and also we booked 12 demo calls in a week. When we go to Teams, there is just one operator plus this exact system. That's cool, right? So finally, why this works for SaaS? It works because you're targeting based on real signals. You're personalizing intelligently. It runs lean, no SDR team required, and you're learning and adjusting every 2 weeks. Want this exact system for your business? If you are building a B2B company, whether it's SaaS, service based, or even a bootstrapped side project, and you want to get more qualified leads without hiring a big team, this system can work for you too. We have used it across industries to help teams generate pipeline using smart workflows, real buying signals, and AI lead personalization. If you want access to this full system, the workflows, tools, and prompts, drop a comment or a DM. And if you found this valuable, hit subscribe. I break down GTM systems like this every week without the fluff. Thank you.